Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the town of Falmouth. Falmouth is the capital and the main town in the parish of Trelawney. Falmouth also is very popular because of its cruise ship pier. It probably has the most modern and the newest cruise ship pier in Jamaica. And that's the pier straight ahead. So that's like on the right, that's like a boardwalk area where you can go shopping and walk up and down, and a lot of tourist activities for when the ships come in. And Falmouth has transformed itself into a tourist town like Ocherios. It doesn't have the hotels as directly in the town like Ocherios, but it has all the facilities and amenities that you need to support a tourist population. There are a lot of hotels in the parish of Trelawney, but not in the town itself. I don't think you're going to find any hotels in the town of Falmouth, but there are a lot of hotels, some large hotels in Trelawney. Okay, so on the left is a cruise ship pier, and that's when the ships come in. This is where persons can enter and exit the pier, or the terminal as they would call it. And on the right where this truck is, it's like a walkway, boardwalk kind of thing, where you can walk to some of the major tourist spots of Falmouth. Alright, on the right is a lot of restaurants and bars. On the left is the gas station. Also, if we were to turn left on that road, we would go down to a lot more. And you can also access the pier or the terminal, the port, from down there. Okay, so on the left now is a new Falmouth fire station. It was recently built. Government is definitely improving the infrastructure in Falmouth because it is becoming, it has the potential to become another Ocherios. And Ocherios is outside of Montego Bay. It's the largest tourist destination. And the cruise ship pier has definitely brought a lot of activity to Falmouth, and because of the pier, the government is also improving the infrastructure in Falmouth. The pier belongs to, belongs to Royal Caribbean, so their ships come in and dock. Sometimes they have as many as 2 ships docked at the same time. Sometimes they have ships coming in 2-3 times a week. And the government is also expanding the Northern Coastal Highway, which is the main road that you take to get into Falmouth. Now they're going to be expanding the highway from 2 lanes to 4 lanes. And another major reason why they're expanding the highway is when persons come into the Falmouth cruise ship pier, 90% of the time those persons will get on a tour bus and go to Ocherios, where you have the major tourist destinations, or some other part of the island. So the government needs to ensure that those persons can get to, say, Duns River Falls from the Falmouth cruise ship pier quickly and easily and on very good roads. So that is another reason why that section of the highway is being expanded. Also, the Sangster International Airport serves this entire region, so that highway also connects to the airport. Alright, so this is the Falmouth town. This town was formed hundreds of years ago, and it's still going, has been improved on over the years. Like on the left, I'm not sure if the camera is picking it up, that's a board building, but you don't see much of those. Like on the right now, that's a concrete building, so you can see that improvements are being made. But this is the main town in the parish of Trelawney, and outside of Montego Bay, this is the largest town you're going to find until you get to St. Anne's Bay, which is in St. Anne. So you have a lot of supermarkets, a lot of retail stores. You also have all the main banks in Falmouth. This is the major town in Trelawney. You have other towns, but they're not as large and not as busy. This is the main town. And on the right, you can clearly see the white line, which means no parking. But I think taxi operators, okay, there is somebody you see going with the clamp to clamp the vehicles, so it's good that they're trying to maintain law and order. But I think motorbike riders and taxi operators, they use a different road code from the regular persons who use the road. They have their own road code. So that's the cruise ship pier on the left. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.